liked that. I think she liked that. Yo, what's good, guys? We're about to change the oil on my 04 ZX6R. I got it set up outside on the little dolly. We're about to drain the oil and change this out. It's been due for some time now, so let's make this happen. So I got this wrench, these wrench and socket, and I think this is all I'm gonna need to get the job done. I'm gonna try to leave the fairings on and reach in there. You see the oil filter. I think I could get the wrench in there. And then we got the drain plug. If you can see it, it's right there. Like right there. That's the drain plug for the oil. So I'm gonna try to do this without taking the fairings off. And I just noticed my filter on here is a KN 204, but the one I got at the shop is a 303. Now, I don't know if this is gonna fit. If it doesn't, I might just throw keep the old filter on there and clean it out with some oil, but we'll see. Also, the old oil filter had this on there. I'm not sure, I haven't seen this in any other videos online, but I'll put it back on there just for safety measures, I guess. We got Frodo top right here, just making sure I do everything right. First thing I'm gonna do here is we're gonna start up the bike and let all the oil come up to temperature so it'll drain out of the bike easier. Second I pulled everything out to do the oil, it starts raining, and now the sun's out. Alright, we got the bike up to temperature. First thing we're gonna do now is take the cap off here so we could let the air flow to drain the oil. If not, it kind of acts as a suction. We'll put this right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and undrain the bolt from the oil pan. Ooh, look at the oil. That's not terrible. I mean, it's dirty, but I've seen a lot worse. Oh, she was full. She was holding every drop of oil. That's looking good. Alright, so that came off a little easier than I was expecting. Right here, the 17 mil on the end of this came right off. Now let's just see if this oil filter will fit. Where is it? Oh yeah, it says KN 303. This is KN 204. We'll see. Let's hit this here just in case. Alright, So we just got all the oil drained and got the old filter off. I'm ready to put the drain plug back on, and we're gonna see if this new oil filter fits. I'm pretty sure it will. And then we'll fill it up with oil and start it up, and we should be good. Woo. So now she's all drained, and we got the plugs and the new filter back on. And now it's time to fill her back up with some oil. Alright, let's get. Alright, she's all tightened up. Now we're gonna start her up, give her a run over. I think she liked that. Alright, that's it for the oil change. Tune in next time for future maintenance on the ZX6R. Peace out. Tell 'em later, Berto. Later, dude. Berto. Later, dude.